Welcome to the class for today. It's physics class and we want to calculate the time of flight. My students will join the class now. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, they are joining right now. Let's see. All right, can you hear me now? Hello, can you hear me? All right, I need someone to start your video. If you check the face of this system, you gotta see yes. All right, so you're welcome to class for today. Um, the topic we want to look at is calculating the time of flight. I want you all to close your notebooks and you will only write, after the explanation. But before I explain anything, I want to ask any one of you, when you see the topic calculating the time of flight, what does that mean to you? I mean, based on whatever we've done, which flight are we talking about? What is flying? Who wants to answer? Um, yeah, yes, I can hear you. Yeah, during the last class, can you hear me? Can you hear me? During the last class, we did some kind of experiments where we were using a kind of object to fly and try to land, and the object was projected at a particular angle to the horizontal, and the object that is moving also has a kind of velocity at the beginning. Then there is a particular time taken for the object to get to the maximum height. So time taken to the maximum height and time taken to get back to the point of projection. So with this, on our experiment page, we were able to see some stuffs which include the time of flight, the range, being given there. Let me show you now. It's going to show you here right away. So, do you remember this? Very good. Who can tell me what we did here? Who can tell me what we did here? Yes, we tried to project a particle from certain height above the ground at a certain angle with a certain velocity, and it was projected until it landed back to the ground. Now, some of you on that day, some of you used certain heights above the ground at your starting point, while some of you, like the second person, did not use any height at all, right? Is that clear? The second person used a height of 0 meters, while the first person used a height of what? The first person used a height of what? Can you hear me? It's on the board. It's on the board. It's on the board. So the first person used a height of what? Can you see what I'm showing you? Can you see what I'm showing you? What is this height? 90. But in the second one, what is the height? 0. Now, from the first one, what is the time of flight?
7.691 seconds.
Okay. And on the second one, what is the time of flight?
5.103 seconds.
Okay. Now I want to explain to you how we can use formula to calculate the time of flight given some parameters, okay? Good. So I'm going to copy this now. I'm going to copy this one, this first page. That is where we're going to get our questions from. So this was the practical we did. And once I copy it, or I just cut it and move it here so that we can work it under this page. Now we want to work on the time of flight. We want to work on what?
Time of flight.
Time of flight. There's a formula you can use to calculate this time that you already know. In question, in exam, they will not give you this time of flight, but they will give you some details, which are maybe this 30 meters per second, this 60 degrees, and this height. And at times, the height they are going to give you will be 0. Is that clear?
0.
I said at times, the height they are going to give you will be what? 0. So let us now, yes, let us now check the formula we can use to get our time of flight. That is what we want to work on today. Is that clear? Is that clear? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay. So now, trying to find the time of flight, there's a formula we can use. The formula we want to use is here. So to get the time of flight, we're going to be using the formula T, which is the total time of flight, equal to 2u sine theta over g. Daniel, can you hear me? What is the formula for time of flight, Daniel? Read it for me. Okay. I said don't write, but somebody is writing. The more you write, the less you understand. Don't write. 2u sine theta over g. What does T stand for? T is what? Everybody? T is what, everybody?
Time.
Read what is here. Let me hear
Time
you.
of flight. The total time the projector is in the air.
One more time, please.
Time of flight. The total time the projector is in the air.
Now, what does U in that formula, what does it stand for?
Initial velocity. The speed at which the projector is launched.
One more time, everybody.
Initial velocity. The speed at which the projector is launched.
What does theta stand for?
Launch angle. The angle of the initial velocity with respect to the horizontal.
One more time, please.
Launch angle. The angle of the initial velocity with respect to the horizontal.
Now, what does G stand for?
Acceleration due to gravity. Approximately 9.8 meters per second square on Earth.
Good. So these are the things we are going to be making use of in that formula, okay? Now, if you want to calculate the time of flight, let me remove all of these details. I'm going to give it to you, later. I want to remove these details. I want to remove this one. So it will remain only the formula. Now, for you to be able to use this formula, this will be the question. They can say a particle was launched into the air at what angle do we have here? 60 degrees, right? 60 degrees, right? At 60 degrees to the horizontal. At 60 degrees to the horizontal. Okay. Now, if the particle was at height 90 meters above the ground, so they now say calculate the time of flight. Now, everyone read the question. Let me hear you.
A particle was launched into the air at 60 degrees to the horizontal. If the particle was at 90 meters above the ground, calculate the time of flight.
Now, do you remember this was Daniel's experiment, right?
Yes, sir.
What are the parameters there? 30. Okay, I have not given you
30 meters per second.
I have not given you the 30 meters per second in the question. So I can end it and say, given that its initial what?
Velocity.
Was 30 meters per second. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, what are the parameters we want to use? U is what?
Initial velocity. No.
U is what?
30 meters per second.
Theta is what?
60 degrees. 60 degrees.
Then what else?
G is 90 meters.
Height is 90 meters, right?
Height 90 meters.
But look
And
at,
the gravity is 9.8 meters per second.
yes, G equals to 9.8 meters per second. We should know that as a constant, right?
I don't get it. I got it. Where is 9.8? It's 9.8.
This is acceleration due to gravity, okay?
Yes, sir.
G is always what?
9.8 meters per second square.
Is it in your notes?
No, sir.
It's not in your notes.
Yes. Is this a... It's not now. Is that right?
It's not in your notes. It's in your notes. So anybody that said it's not in your note has not been reading, okay? So let's continue, please. Now, I want us to check this question and the second case also at the bottom. I'm going to duplicate this and change some parameters there. For the second case, what exactly are we looking for?
We are looking for the time of flight.
But for this second case, who is still talking? For the second case, we already have the time of flight, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we want to use the formula to find it and see whether it's going to give us, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, please, that is why I said you should concentrate. Because if you don't concentrate, if you are writing, you are just copying what you don't understand. For the second case, what is our height?
Our height is 0.
0. So I have to remove this 90, yes or no?
Yes.
For the second case, what is our angle?
Our angle is 30.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Good. 30. I changed it to 30. For the second case, what is our velocity?
50 meters per second.
So I'm going to change the 30 to 50, right?
Yes, sir.
So what else? Okay, in the question, I have to change all those details too. So I'm going to say the 30 will become 50 and the 60 will become 30. So this is 30 while this is 50. Then the height, I'm going to say it's 0. Are you getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to share my calculator while I will press some things for you to see, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. Can you see my calculator? Wait, don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. I'm waiting. Don't go anywhere so that you don't miss the explanation. Later on, you can be looking for calculator.
Davina. She's even watching. Hope it's not my own. Check.
Can you see my own calculator? Can you see my calculator?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, let us find the time of flight, okay?
Yes, sir.
To find the time of flight T, that will be 2 times 50, right?
Times 50, yes. Times
Sine 30 all over what?
All over 9.8 meters per second square.
Okay.
The answer is 31.3. Sine 30 is equal to 0.5.
Now, what is 2 times 50?
2 2 times 50.
100.
That's 100.
Then what is sine 30?
0.5.
0.5.
Then divided by
Divided
what?
by 9.8
9.8
meters
meters
per
per
second.
second square.
Now, the time of flight will be, what is 100 times 0.5?
50.
Divided by what?
Divided by 9.8.
Now,
That's 5.1012010816.
alright, 50 divided by 9.8. 5.102, right?
102.4016.
Seconds. Now, listen. What was the time of flight we got from the experiment?
5.103.
Now, what is this one that we arrive at?
5.102.
So if you are to round it to one decimal, they will be equal, yes or no? If you are to round it to one decimal, they will be equal, yes or no?
5.103.
5.1.
If you are to round it up to one decimal place, they will be equal, yes or no? Okay, I think the network. So can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can
Yes,
write
sir.
down the question as example 1, okay?
Yes, sir. From the beginning.
Time of flight. So you can write this
So where
down
should we start from?
from time of flight, from the topic. Just say calculating the time of flight, okay?
Excuse me, sir. Mr. Yeah.
Calculating what?
Time of flight.
Use which formula?
Your eyes are do it. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Put your hand in.
You kind of can't do this.
So you can write this down. Once you are through, you let me know. Okay?
Where this your try from?
This one,
So, you people should write.
write everything in this rectangle, okay?
Yes, sir.
When you finish, you tell me. Then we now go to the other one.
No. Stop, don't write it. It's already equal. It's already on my belief.
All right, we're going to continue shortly.
Today is what? Oh, nice.
Do not do it.
But be the same format of the question. Let me see. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to change the question. Let's see.
Fail. So,
So you can see the second part, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to change the angle. Maybe
Yes,
I'll
sir.
change the angle to 65 degrees, okay? Let me see. So the angle we change to 65 degrees, okay?
Yes.
The angle is now what? The angle is
The
what?
angle is
65 degrees.
65 degrees. Then
Yes, sir.
the speed,
50 meters per second.
when I want to change the speed to maybe 70 meters per second, okay? Hold on a little bit. So this is going to be 70. So that means my parameters have changed. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then I have a new question entirely.
Yes, sir.
So I'm changing all these details now. So the
So I
only
did not change
detail,
the height.
yes, the height will remain 0, okay?
Okay, sir.
So this is 65. Okay, wait. This is 70, and this is 65 degrees. So what is the time of flight now?
65.
No. Time of flight
Time of
is
flight.
what? 2 times.
2 times 50.
2 times what?
Sorry, 2 times 70.
Uh-huh.
When do you think just change it?
2 is in your formula, okay?
See, 2 besides that by G.
Sign what?
Times 65 divided by.
Which one do you want to write?
Divided by 9.8, right? So what is 2 times 70?
2 times 70 is 1.
Now what is sine 65?
Sine 65 is 0.9130.
Okay. 0.9130, right?
10787.
Only 4 digits. Use 4 digits.
0.901.
Size 65 is 0.906.
0.1.
0.906.
Wait.
Calculator of your shop.
0.906 and 0.906.
Just hold on a bit. I think I'm having some. So what is your sine 65 again? What do you call sine 65? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is sine 65?
Oh my Are you holding grudges at me?
I can't hear you. What is sine 65?
7.
So we multiplied 140 by
If
sine
someone
65,
puts times
then we divide by
0.906.
9.8. Let me try and open my calculator again to confirm it.
Is the MJ calculator.
So we want to multiply 140
Right?
by 0.9063, right?
12.94714.
And only at 26.
It's 12.9.
See, 140.
It's not 140.
It's 12.947.
Times, what's my times?
Oh, times.
I
And I
say
did
you need that.
No, I did divide.
What of them?
No, you know.
I'm not crying. I'm just saying. I should be crying.
Oh, the person is giving me.
Oh, it's a give me. Me, I'm pressing rubbish.
So,
I'm coming.
what's your final answer?
Answer is
12.947.
12.947.
Bring the calculator.
Let me see the
wait.
So,
Wait.
we'll go to the practical page now and try to see if we're going to get the same thing, okay?
Oh, you guys.
Let me see.
I thought you saying that 140 times.
This is correct.
12.9. What I'm saying is that 140 times
It's okay.
0.960. That was good.
So you said your answer is 12 point what?
I know. 12.9.
90 something, okay?
It's not 90.
9 what? I think this is after fine.
What time is 11:51. 11:52.
Yes. This is
So instead of it to be 12:52.
Can you hear me now?
Just one. Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you see my calculator?
Sir?
Can you see my calculator?
Yes, sir. We can see your calculator.
Okay.
Okay, my calculator.
So sine 65, then sine, then times what? Times 140,
I don't need.
then divided by 9.8, right?
Yes, sir.
So that gives 12.947. Okay. Now let's go to the practical page and try it. From that question, can you see the page now? Can you see the practical page now? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So can
sir.
you see the page I'm sharing?
Yes, sir. We can see.
Oh yeah, what is the speed?
This speed is 140.
No. From the question.
70. Oh, 70.
Okay, we cannot get 70 here. That is the major limitation, okay?
So let's do 60. So let's do 60 instead of 70.
Yeah, we just did 60. Or what?
Sir, but I'm not get the question.
Okay.
No, it's not 60 we did. I have that to 60.
Okay, let's do 60. I agree. Let's do 60. So that we can be able to check it. So if I change this to 60, then this is going to be 120, right? Then that is what I'm going to use. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that will be the question you're going to put down. So now multiply this and tell me your answer.
11.0976.
11.0976. Okay, let me try it again now. 65 sine, oh, not cos. 65 sine times 120 divided by 9.8. So I got 11.098, right? 11.098. Hope you are following.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's try it on the page. The speed is 60. The height is 0. What is the angle? What is the angle?
The angle is.
The angle is what?
The angle is.
The angle is 65 degrees.
65. Okay, so let me start it now. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we want to confirm the time of flight. Are you watching this?
Yes, sir. It's not correct.
It's correct. 11.09.
Go and do your own.
Can you see?
It's not for.
So what is
Yes, sir.
what is the time of flight?
The time of flight is 11.098.
Yes. 11.098. For those parameters, that is what we have. So I'm going to move this to the board now. Let me see. Okay, let me copy it to the board. Okay, write down the second question, second example. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Write down the second example and the solution.
That is to
Okay.
help us carry the class. This classroom away.
Thank you.
Okay.
Can you see it now? Can you see it now?
Yes, sir. It's not with me.
So write the second example. So we're able to confirm the time of flight to be equal. Okay.
Right.
Are you writing? Write the question again. The parameters have changed. Okay.
Daniel, let's go. Calm down, guys. Please.
The parameters have changed. So write the second question down And the solution.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I said you should work this out and tell me your answer, okay? If it did not give you the time of flight here, then something is wrong somewhere, okay? But if it gives you, you let me know. If it didn't give you 7.691, then something must be wrong and something must be done to it. So what we're looking for is the time of flight, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So find your time of flight and tell me what you get.
What's wrong with you? Festus.
Is anyone true?
Sorry, I'm not.
Okay. You know the formula to use, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You are looking for the time of flight.
But there is no H inside the formula. Sir.
Somebody is saying something.
But there is no H in the formula.
Okay, hold on. Okay. So you have H in the question, right?
Yes, sir.
But you have the formula, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And parameters in the formula are in the question, right? All the details the formula needs are in the question.
Over G.
So if you use that one, let us see. Without using the height, let's see if it will give you this time of flight, okay? Use your formula. T equal to 3u sine theta over g. Try to calculate and see if it gives you the time of flight, okay? What is the formula again?
2u sine theta over G.
So T equals to 2u sine theta over g. So what did you get after using this? Yes? What did you get?
Mine is 10.6.
Mine is 5.326.
Mine is
So 5.326.
5.3.
Diana is 10.6.
5.3 what?
6.
Samantha is 10.6.
This is 10.07.
5.326 seconds. Is it the same as the time of flight?
No, sir.
It's not the same.
No.
So that means the height is affecting it, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you look at the question, the time you have calculated is the time from here to here. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
The time you have calculated is the time from here to here. So you still need to find the time to get down. Okay? So there is another formula to use for this kind of situation. What did I say?
So it's 5.302.
Hello, can you hear me?
60.
Stop whatever you are doing and listen. I said for this kind of situation, there's another formula. Okay?
So the answer is
The answer is not
correct.
5.326, it's 5.302.
See,
The answer is
whether it is 5.9 or 5.1, it is not the same as what we have here, right?
Yes, sir.
And that is the point I'm trying to make. Okay, maybe I should even calculate it myself here on the calculator. And we try to see 2u sine theta. Theta is 60, right?
Yes, sir.
So sine 60 is 0.8660. Sine 60, 0.8660 times what? U, what is u? 30
Yes, sir.
times 2. Then divided by what? 9.8. So that gives me 5.302, okay?
Yes, sir. 5.302.
So even if I get 5.302, it still doesn't solve my problem, okay?
Yes, sir.
And the time to reach this place is that 5.302. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So we still need to know the time to reach the bottom because it's going to land on the ground. That's why I said there is another formula to use.
Okay, sir.
So the formula is this one at the base. Let me try to bring it up.
5.30.
Hold on. So that's not the answer for the time of flight. We need a new formula to get our time of flight. The old formula is useless when there is height involved. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So here is the new formula for that situation. Can you see the formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. So for that kind of situation, we're going to discard the old method and use a new method. And this new method is a little bit technical because it's going to involve quadratic formula. It's going to involve what? So let's get started. I don't want you to write. I don't want you to lose concentration. It is coming out in your test and exam. I want you to watch it. Now, this formula looks like a foreign language, right?
So we cannot hear.
I said this formula looks like a foreign language.
Yes, sir.
So let me bring it to the term that you understand. If you remember your quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So anyone that has square, you bring it to the front here. So what is the square there? Minus half gt squared. Anyone that have ordinary alphabet, you bring it to ordinary alphabet. So that is, this v is going to be initial velocity, which is u sine theta times time, okay? Then plus the vertical distance, vertical height, which is the height you were given. That is vertical height, that is hy, equal to 0. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, having said that, if you have your quadratic formula, quadratic equation, there's a quadratic formula to find your x. X is minus b plus or minus what? Square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is the formula we are going to use here. So we have minus half times g. What is g?
9.8.
Then t squared. T is what we're looking for. Plus u. What is u?
U is 30.
Sine what?
Sine 60.
Times time. Then plus what? Vertical distance.
90.
That's the height, yes. So what is half of 9.8? That'll be 4.9, right?
Yes, sir.
Then plus, what is sine 60 times 30? Sine 60 times 30. 25.98
25.98.
plus 90 equal to what?
0.
This is a quadratic equation, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is our A?
Our A is
4.9.
minus 4.9.
What is B?
25.98.
What is C?
90.
We can now use our quadratic formula to find T. So T equal to minus B plus square root of what? B square.
Plus or minus.
Yeah, I want to separate them, okay? B square minus 4 times A. What is A?
Minus 4.9.
Then times C. What is C?
90.
90. All over what? 2A.
2
Times minus
4.9.
4.9.
Or what?
Or
Minus 25.98
25.98
square minus 4
times minus 4.9
times 90 All over what?
Divided by 2
times minus 4.9.
2 times minus 4.9.
Now, I'll pick a calculator now and try to do some stuff there. So I have minus 25.98 plus whatever I get from the calculator, okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So I have 90.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Do you know that minus times minus is plus in the square root?
Yes.
So this is going
Yes,
to
sir.
give us plus, okay? This will change to plus. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have 90 times what? 4.9 times 4, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 1764. Keep it somewhere. Keep it somewhere. 1764. Now 25.98
There's no 764.
square. Then plus what? 1764, right?
Yes.
This gives me this big number. Then I find the square root. That will be 49.38. Let's say 49.39, okay? Or I take it 49.386.
Alright.
49.386 all over what? What is 2 times 4.9? 9.8, right? Or minus 25.98. Are you following this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minus 49.386 all over minus 9.8. Now look at the expressions we have. This is negative 25. This is positive 49. Your answer will be positive, but because you have negative at the bottom, you get a final negative t, which is wrong. We cannot get negative timing, okay? So we abandon this and go for this. Now let somebody do this and tell me what you get. Negative and negative will be added together to give you positive, more negative there, okay? So that is minus, let me start all the way. So minus what?
Minus 75.
Minus
Minus.
25.98,
Minus.
right?
Yes, sir.
So 25.98 negative, then minus what? 49.386. So that gives you minus 75 points.
Minus 75.360.
So if you are going to divide by another negative, it will give you positive answer, yes or no?
That's 7.690.
7 point what?
6904.
690. So let me now say this one times 1 negative to remove the positive. To remove the negative. So divided by 9.8. So that is 7.690.
That's almost.
Now look at this. This gives us 7.691. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is because of approximation. So if we are to round it up to 1 decimal, this will be 7.7, right?
7.691.
7.7 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
And this other one will also be 7.7 seconds, okay? 7.690, which is 7.7 seconds. So you can see it gave us the same answer, right? Now you can put down the solution. Then we round up for today. Put down the question and the solution. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So once you finish this, we round up, then you expect your test on Friday.
Okay, sir.
So if you have height given, you have a different formula. If the height is not given, you have another formula to find the time of flight. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let me know once you finish writing it down.
127.
All right, viewers.
Hold on.
Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for updates on future videos.
Should we write everything?
Yes.
Okay. You ask any question.
You know that the laboratory propose what you call it.
I'll say goodbye for now.